Hi, I'm Dr. Dan Davidian. I want to talk to you about crowns and the difference between the older crowns and the technologies provided to us today. In the past, we used to take away a lot of tooth structure. Then we'd make a temporary. That temporary would have to be worn for 3 weeks, which many times in that 3-week period of time, the temporary would come off. That would cause a lot of sensitivity and nerve irritation, sometimes leading to the need for a root canal. Now, we can do the crowns in-house. We can do them the same day. So sometimes patients will come in, they'll get sedated, and they may get a crown and a bunch of fillings. We can deliver those crowns the exact same day. So it reduces that nerve irritation, reduces that sensitivity, and allows the patient to leave with a cosmetic permanent restoration. With the technology today and the the porcelains that we are able to use, it doesn't have that metal substructure like the old crowns used to have. That metal substructure a lot of times would put off a gray hue or put a little gray line by the gum line. The new crowns don't have to have that. So not only can we stain them and colorize them much more accurately chairside, you also eliminate that gray line that a lot of the older crowns had by the gums. Because we make our crowns here the same day, we actually have a custom staining oven and custom staining glazes. That allows us to literally look at the crown, stain it, cook it, and deliver it. And if we don't like the way it looks, we can just make another one, or we can keep staining it. It allows us to get very, very accurate color matches. The advantages to the same day crown is you don't have to take work off a second time. You don't have to get numb a second time, so you're not getting that sore spot where the shot was. You usually don't have to get as many bite adjustments because the temporary can sometimes throw off the bite, so when you deliver the permanent crown, that's eliminated. A lot of people ask about, are we sacrificing strength for looks? So the all porcelain crown are gorgeous because they reflect light much better and they don't have that metal substructure. But ironically enough, the porcelains, because we use a sintering process, are actually stronger than the older porcelain fused to metal crowns. Whenever we can save a tooth, we want to save a tooth. So whenever we can save any tooth structure is very sacred to a dentist. Sometimes the tooth is so bombed out or so decayed that we do have to remove a tooth. When we remove a tooth, it allows us we can actually replace teeth nowadays with what we call implants. And we can actually put a titanium root replacement directly in the bone, let that heal, and we can put a crown on top of that as well to help to restore chewing function. If you have a broken or sensitive tooth, many times a same-day crown is all that's needed. If you have any questions or would like to schedule an appointment, give us a call.